Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to withdraw money from YouGov. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on YouGov, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the YouGov, as you can see, if you have a certain amount of points balance, you can redeem rewards right here. So as you can see, I can redeem a PayPal transfer if I have a 5,000 points rewards. So after I get that 5,000 point rewards, I can just click see reward to see the information that I need to have. So, for example, I need to have 5,000 point rewards, and after I get that, I can just click redeem and connect my PayPal account so that after I redeem the rewards, that rewards will be redirected to my PayPal account so I can withdraw money. And yeah, that's it. So, if you want to see more rewards, you can just click see all rewards right here, and as you can see, all redeemable rewards can be seen right here, and if you get the required point balance, you can redeem them if you want. And yeah, that's it. That's all for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.